I don't know why I'm here like this. This is not what I want the picture to be. I want to show you my monitor, not just me. And I'm just out there like this. Okay. Um, I have no idea why this is like this. I want to show my screen. Edit. All right. This thing is not letting me. There we go. That's what I want. Share entire screen. Entire screen. Okay. So let's clean it up a little bit. Here's chat. If anybody says anything, chat is disabled. I want to undisable it. Uh, this can go away. Uh, I- I'm plenty signed in. Okay, this is right here, one web page you can see over there. Um, but and it's got a YouTube video on it that I made. Um, I really don't like the picture. I think I'm gonna change it to what? It's got to be a PGN. Well, maybe I'll leave it that for right now. Okay. So I'm here. Feel free to jack up the quality to 1080p. Feel free to do that. Um, I need to enable chat because it's no good if I'm just talking to myself. Why is live chat disabled for this video? Here's why. YouTube may have turned off live chat on some content for basic reasons, like to protect minors. Oh, okay. So I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. Let's go back. I mean, it's no good without live chat. Uh, no, it's not for kids. There we go. You can't have chat with kids around. Save. Okay, now live chat. Okay, live chat replay. Yeah, anyone. Live reactions. Save. Analytics. There's one viewer in chat. Okay, nice. Okay, now we're going to start doing things. The position I'm at right now is in building a website myself. Well, first let me tell you how I ended up here. I went to one of those companies who say you could buy yourself a domain for next to nothing, and then you could go in and use their tools and build this fantastic website for next to nothing. And so I did that. I paid for the domain, and then all of a sudden I get a question. If you don't want all your information that you just put in to buy your domain to be public information, we'll need another $27 a year. Well, of course, I don't want all my information out there down to the part number. I mean, my apartment number. So I have to pay. So I pay. And then all of a sudden, the next thing they ask me is, you do want to protect your customers, don't you? If you don't, they'll be at risk, and you'll lose all your customers. And so that'll be another, I don't know, $25 a year, right? And then I'm in their file system, editing a HTML file, and it tells me, oh, you're operating one version down, and this may put you at a security risk. Okay, this is the software they gave me to work on their server, which I paid to do. And now when I click on upgrade the editor, it says have a free trial. Well, have a free trial means after the free trial, I have to pay. I got real mad, and I typed in the header. I gave it a // which means the code ignores it, but it's a note. I typed in there that, look, this is your server. This is the editor you gave me to use. Why do I gotta pay to upgrade it? And it was funny. The next day, I got an email saying that it had been upgraded at no cost to me. And that leads to a lot of other stuff. Like, they're not supposed to be looking at my stuff, and my stuff is in HTML script. That's my stuff. They must have went in there and read it. They had to have, because immediately I got a response. Anyway, I'm still at that place. I, uh, but I don't think I'll be there for long because the complexity of the website I'm building is going to far exceed what they're going to want to let me do. Far exceed it. So I'll give you guys a brief overview of where I am and what I got. And the best way to do that is to go into the file system, Explorer. One thing I highly suggest if you're building something, isolate it. Don't just start doing it on your C drive where the files can get everywhere and you don't know where they're at and it's confusing and it's a mess. I ended up deleting like 46,000 files off my C drive, moved down to my D drive, which is clean, and started root project, and everything is within that, except for some reason I have a TypeScript that's over on the C drive, but it's okay. I'm just gonna leave it there because that could be very complicated. So my file system mirrors HostGator. That's where my page is at right now. And the only thing you see at www.icarusrisinggamer.com is a coming soon page. And that to me was a test. Could I get on the server and make a page show using my URL? I'm sorry, guys. It's hard for me to talk sometimes. I had a broken jaw in 2020, right here, right down the middle, and on the hinge. And ever since then, my mouth feels smaller. It's hard for me to pronunciate words, but I do my best. Please don't think I'm illiterate because I know it sounds that way. Uh, anyway, so public HTML. And then, right here, I used to call this file assets, but I had to mirror the file system at HostGator. So there starts out with public HTML. And so I went in there and into their file system from public HTML, and I built everything that you see here, right? Pretty much. I don't think I put everything there yet. But my HTML files, that's my web pages. They're all right here. So if I want to, index would be my coming soon page, which is actually my home page. You should always name it index. I don't know why exactly, but if I go like this and open, oh, I didn't mean to open it there. If I go here and I say open with, and let's use Google, bam, there it is. That's what my coming soon page looks like. And there's a modal here, but it's empty. Soon I have to do that, a privacy policy. And the cool thing about a privacy policy is you can have AI write it for you. Okay. And if we go back, we get here. Now, mind you, this is running off my drive. Okay, see if you look up at the line, it's D project root public HTML index. So it's running right off my computer. But you will see this page running off HostGator server. It's the only page you'll see. But I can do things like I can go to the forum And this is where what the forum looks like. It's not even done. It's a mess. I can go to store. As you see, there's no background picture and it's a mess. But I do have these pages. I can go to reviews. Now I have a problem. There's two review pages. One of them you go to see the reviews that have been done. If you want to do a review totally web-based, you can come to this page and it should ask for your camera. Maybe it didn't because I'm already using my camera and my microphone, but you can hit start recording, stop recording, and then uh, something's wrong with this, but we're going to be working on this page because really you need start, stop, and this right here, this should change. Take one, take two, take three, take four, take five. It should change. I don't know if it does because I can't do a recording right now because YouTube is using my camera. Uh, the idea here is that you can do a review. Hey, look, I brought this product, and when I opened up the box, this was missing. Uh, and that's a real bummer. Blah, blah, blah. That's a review, right? Okay, from there, you should be able to upload your review and it should go straight to YouTube. The very channel I am on now, except for it will go to a playlist, and the playlist will be reviews. The list I'm on right now, there's two lists on the channel. Is coffee, coding, conversation with Kristina. How y'all doing? No, nobody said anything yet. It'd be nice if someone said something. Anyway, so that's where that's at. This needs a lot of work, but right now I got bigger fish to fry. So you know why? Because it just may shut down the. I'm just gonna shrink it down, and let me see what this looks like. I see the little guy over there. I see that, and let's see how fast this takes to react. And close this. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. It still hasn't closed. Maybe if I hit refresh. I have another computer next to me that helps me see what's going on. Yeah, now it's gone. Okay. All right. So let's get on with some coding. If you're not familiar and you're totally new, this is VS Code. It's an editor. Okay. And as you see, I have index open and I have review start open and I have review 1-1 HTML. This page is the page I just showed you with the recording mechanism on it. Uh, for instance, here's the problem. This page should be the first page you see. And this is the page that has the reviews on it. Let me show you what it looks like so far. Well, it looks like this over here. I have this right here. There's a review I did, right? Just a mock, nothing. It's just reading some numbers. I can't stand the way I sound, so I'm not going to play it. But there's right there. Now, what I need to do is I need to make it so doesn't seem like I can make it automatically. Here's the instructions Copilot gave me. This is the code it wrote me to make it so to make it so to make it so let's run and debug this page. To make it so my video shows, right? Oh, here they are. Aha! They are here. The home button, the forum button. Forum. Ah, okay. See, they're supposed to be over here. Home forum review store. But if I go home, I get nothing. And that's because home isn't going home. I got to find out where that's happening at. If I go reviews, I get back to this page. And if I go to the store, I have this page. Let's put a background in the store just because I can't stand looking at it. Let's do that real quick. That's the easy thing to do, right? So I just file, open file. I come down here to HTML store. Open that file up. Here it is right here. Huh, it's supposed to have a background. I wonder what's going on. I always like to use word wrap. Right here it has store page, background image, Shutterstock, PGN. I wonder why. I wonder why it has no background. Well, let's go get a different background. Maybe that background got deleted or something. Let's go get a different background. D, project group, HTML, images. Now HostGator only lets me use PGN, so I have a file over here that's PGN. And let's oh, what's the name of the page? The store. So I don't want a background that's going to be too convoluted. Can I just copy the name? Yep, I sure can. Control copy. And let's go right here. Let's go into the code. And let's drop the new file. Okay. And let's save it. Let's hit refresh. Okay, there's something wrong here. Let's take out one of those dots. File. Save. Refresh. Inspect. All right here, background images is marked out. But this isn't marked out. So I got to look at this. It's got this little red dot by it. Why not? Issues. An element doesn't have an autocomplete attribute. All right, there's something wrong with this here. This element, I'm going to put this dot back, by the way, because I don't think that's a problem. So let's look at index. It's fuck. I don't know what I did there, so I'm going to hit undo. SCR. And I'm in the habit of nowadays of, instead of just asking, I'll play around a little bit. Now it's really got a problem. Oh, I ain't having such a problem now. Huh. Ah, bang. That's the same page. And I don't know where all this shit came from. Uh, it's got home fucking reviews and shit. Okay. I didn't think that was the picture that I put up there though. Uh, store. I didn't think that was the image I put up there. Maybe I accidentally did. No, I thought I put this one right here. 261 261 0696 0696 239 239. That's this. Where is it getting the indexes homepage and feature product? Where's it getting featured product at? Right here. Huh? Form ID for login. Login register model right there. Okay, we're going to get rid of this. I'm going to cut it out. I'll put it in. Now, I don't know if I messed anything up. Okay. Just out of curiosity, let's hit save. And let's run and debug this page and see what it looks like now. God damn it. Cancel. I could actually just hit return. And we lost the login altogether. The login is gone. And why are these things like this? Did I do that? Yeah, I did that. Okay, these should have buttons around them. What happened to the login? Okay, it's got to be messed up. That's why. Yeah, it is. So section, or does it start out with a main? Starts and it's below the footer. And where did I put it? Section doesn't even. Oh, this is section. So it must have been before section. Where's the section starting? Right here. Section starting, section closing. And that's this stuff. And then div, divide, and model. Okay, this has got to move. Take it back out. All the way to here. Cut it. And we're gonna go over here, divide, which is below the footer. And we're gonna also take the register all the way down here to form. Oh, edit, put it back, copy. And we're gonna go just below. See something here. Form, form should end right there. Okay. Then there's another form. Form here. It's here. Okay. Save. Run. Debug. Cancel. Here. Look, we could just do this. Just refresh it. and it didn't do nothing at all. Wow. Okay, so I'll ask Copilot. ML to this file, and Copilot is brilliant. It will tell me what. Certainly. Do I? Did it take it away? It took it away already. Amazing. The stuff is gone. And here I'm just going to dump his whole file in there. See how fast Copilot reads everything, does everything? File, save, see what it looks like. Doesn't look any different. Oh, man, oh man, oh man. Hold on a second. This is what the review page looks like. What the fuck is going on? Review start. That's what this page is. Review start. But if I do this, hold on a second. Run, debug. Oh, man, I don't know. I thought I was looking at something else. Totally. Okay, we didn't get, it didn't show up. The modal didn't show up. And it should have these buttons. But I also think it should have, yeah, I want that, but I want this. Okay, except, ah, so I got scripts and I got styles and scripts is all right in there. Modal. Let's take this one out. Scripts and styles, except, and review.js. Really? Let's, let's give it a shot. But that may be for the other reviews. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we did. Nothing. Oh, here's the home page and stuff right here. hmm So we can always look at stuff like this right here. Inspect it. Where's the home page? Elements, HTML. Uh-huh. Forum. These are the buttons. These are what's supposed to be buttons. A form. So, oh, I wonder if anybody's with us. Not that one. Not that one. Well, I guess we've had nobody. Okay, well, not everybody wants to get into this crazy ass coding stuff. So, anyway, here, let's do this. Let's try to get, see, these are the buttons right here. Let's try to get these over here where they belong. And and for that, we would want to steal from the index. Underneath, header, divide, underneath, right here. And that's where we got that, right? But there's a piece missing. Here, then we come down here. I don't know if y'all watching the thing or not, but see, I wish I had somebody saying something. If somebody was saying something, then that would be nice. Uh, yes, it's made for kids. Save.
Are you kidding me?
Bird, where are you, baby? I haven't seen you in a long time. I want live chat, man. Jesus Christ. Can't find microphone. Ah, Yeah, I know it's sharing my screen. Okay. So, anyway, let's see here. Man, I don't know why it won't let live chat. I do not know why. What time is it? Is it late already? Because I'm not. My phone is dead. Okay, well, that's my stream such as it is. Nobody could talk to me, so I'm going to go ahead and go, and I'm going to work on getting some of this done. And I will try to stream again, and I'll try to keep them live. Thank you, you guys.